Noah! One of the biggest solar panel in the Philippines. Traveling now from Bais, then to Manhoyod. We turn left going up this mountain. Is Cantulingi in Bais. I saw a small Assemblies of God church in the mountain here in Cantulingi. This is the upper part of Bais city in Negros Oriental. We're crossing the mountain Zigzag Road, and it's quite similar to the scenery in Negros Occidental. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm traveling now to Negros Occidental. The bus left here in Dumaguete City at 9 o'clock in the morning, and they said that it will arrive after 5 hours in San Enrique. That's around 1 to 2 hours going to La Castellana. So from San Enrique and traveling to La Castellana, I'll stay there overnight to meet some of the brethren like Sister Nati, Brother Peter, Pastor Camilo, Pastor Anthony Ison, and I'm going to visit the town itself, and to pray with the believers there. And then early morning tomorrow I'm going back here in Dumaguete City to catch up my flight going to Manila, because I took up a ticket from all the way Manila to Dumaguete and Dumaguete to Manila. So the bus now is crossing around the city. These are some of the commercial establishments here in Dumaguete City, and it's quite slow because the traffic is a little heavy or moderate traffic now, and I hope this can pass by the city in few minutes, and this will pass through Sibulan near the airport area, then Sibulan, Amla town, and then San Jose, then Amla, and then Tanjay City, Bae City, and then from there I think it will pass by Canlaon, Mount Canlaon, and then going through San Enrique in Negros Occidental. So as you see here, this is a part of the plaza. Ang nakikita nyo ngayon ay ang plaza or the Bay Boulevard, the Bay Park of Dumaguete City. It's a nice view here, particularly during the night time. Many people, many foreigners are here just to have a rest and walk with their loved ones, with their girlfriend or with their wife. And what you see in that other side, the island there, is Siquijor Island in near Cebu. You see the Bay Area here, and the biggest tree, one of the biggest and oldest tree here in Dumaguete City, is the Bethel Guest House here at the left side. And this bus will pass through them. I saw. This is Honeycomb Tourist Inn. See the other side there is the Bay Area. This is Bistro Restaurant. Some old houses were converted already to a restaurant. Chinlong. Then they have the DBP, Development Bank of the Philippines in Dumaguete. Game On Sports Bar, AXA Life Dumaguete, and then this another old house. You see Dumaguete Seafront Hotel is an old house that's converted as a hotel. Then there are lots of coffee shops here. I visited coffee shops here together with my friend pastors. Tom and Tom's Coffee, Gadki Restaurant, Briggs Hotel. Then this is the front view here near the boulevard is the Silliman University. This is one of the oldest buildings, founded in 1901, established in 1901 by Horace Silliman. I visited this place last Wednesday. I traveled inside the campus. You see Silliman University campus area. And this is the port of Dumaguete that's going to Cebu in that area. Thank you very much for watching this channel. To be continued while traveling here from Dumaguete to Negros Occidental. This is Biyahe ni Joe Bicolano. God bless you, and please pray for my travel. Let's always pray one for another for this land. The Philippines, Pearl of the Orient Seas, is one of the most blessed country, one of the blessed country in the world, with more than 10 million people are working abroad just to earn a living and bring dollars to the country. I cannot say that our country is poor because it's very rich in natural resources. 50% of the people are middle class and 10% are upper class already. So people in the Philippines, around 60% of the Philippines can travel to any parts of the world anytime. And I cannot say this is a third world country also, because the best malls in the world, the biggest malls in the world are here in this country. And we are second as a producer of coconut, top export of coconut in the world, in the whole world, and also top 10 exporter of banana and pineapple. You see that island there is the island of Siquijor, or Siquijor province, and in this area is the Cebu province. God bless everyone. So I'm traveling now. It's already 9:15 in the morning, and the bus left 9 o'clock in the morning and expected to arrive in San Enrique at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. You see the bangka here. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. God bless everyone. Good morning, Philippines.